Gang, gang. What's up, you guys? You were in that video. So I got these little toy handcuffs. I'm gonna try to see how fast I get out. And yes, I got my do rag on, not to get my hair dirty. After I do this, try to get out as fast as I can. Comment below how fast you think I got out. So I'm gonna try to put the camera down so it can like stand up and show. Oh my god, man. Yes, I'm in my pajamas. Let me get away. So now I'm gonna have to move somewhere else because I want too much noise. But at the same time, if you guys can see me, comment below because it's probably too low. So now I'm gonna try to find a place to put the camera up so it can stay. So I'm probably get my. Alright, let's use this for now. Stay on. I guess I'm using my phone for this. Because it's easier. Alright. So I got it right here. Put it right on. And 1 second, I forgot my keys. Back. That's right. Okay. Alright, so I got my 2 keys. One was for that, the broken one was the screen. This thing is on. And yes, there's a way to get out if I don't have the key. There's this thing you can pull apart, and then there's this thing you guys can see. This thing right here. Try. 3, 2, 1. That went off. Alright, so I'm having a struggle with this one. There we go. You guys should comment below what I should do for one of my next videos. If it involves going outside, that's gonna have to wait. And I got out. Alright, now comment below how you think how fast I went. Comment below how fast you think I went. It could be under or higher or lower. I don't know. But anyways, I got out these handcuffs. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to tighten it so bad. I'm going to tighten it all the way down. Wait, I got a better idea. You see how my right hand is supposed to go in this one? I'm going to make it more challenging. I'm going to put my right hand in this one. And then try to get the other one out. And get this one. Alright, yes, this is my room. Oh my god. Alright, so you can see the handcuffs. You can see the difference. My right hand, bruh. I would imagine go like that. But I'm going to try to get out with my hands going like this. So it's going to be hard. But it's going to be easy. Alright, so 3, 2, 1, go. Bruh. I'm going to try to use the natural way again then. Hey, now. Bro, try to get out my vlog. Alright, you want to say hi to the vlog? And yes, this is my bro. Okay. I'm trying to get out of here quicker than last time. So it's just harder because my hands are the wrong way. My hands feel twisted. Wait, I think I'm stuck. Yes, I'm sick. Some of you guys might know me because some of you guys probably go to my school. Some of you guys probably know me from your family members. Some of you guys probably know me from the street. And you guys know me from my dad. So you guys probably know me since I was a baby. Some of you guys probably knew. So, trying to get out. Oh my god, this is hard. Harder than last time because of my hands. I think I'm stuck. Seriously, dude. It's so hard to get out of these handcuffs. But since I can't get out of these handcuffs, I think I'm just gonna end the video there. So if you like this video, like it up, subscribe if you did. If you don't know me and this is your first time watching me, my name is RGR. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.